Hello dear student, today we are going to see the English workshop of class 8 1.3. Trees are the kindest things I know. First question, pick from the poem words that rhyme with the following words. A. Fun. Answer, begun, sun. Second, no, grow. Third, now, cow, bow. Next, sight, light, night. Fly, sky, lullaby. Second question. Question number 2. Pick from the poem lines that create a picture in your mind. Answer. A. And in the springs, new birds of green. Second, and spread a shade for sleepy cows. Next, and leaves to burn on Halloween. Next, they are the first when days begun to touch the beam of the morning sun. Next, they are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And last one, and when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. Next question. Question number 3. The poet refers to trees as the kindest things. From the poem, pick out 5 facts which prove the kindness of trees towards others. Answer is like that way. Trees spread a shade for sleepy cows. Second, trees give fruits. Next, birds gather on their bough. Next, trees give wood to build houses. Next, trees give leaves to burn on Halloween. Next question. Question number 4. Find words that describe the following. Cows sleeping. Green, new birds. Morning sun. Drowsy lullaby. Kindest trees. Next question. Question number 5. Pick out the lines that means the following. First, trees provide shelter for animals. Answer, and spread a shade for sleepy cows. Second, trees provide food for all. Answer, they give us fruits in leaves above. Third, trees are most lovable. Answer, trees are the kindest things I know. Fourth, kids love to listen to songs from trees. Answer, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Fifth, trees live a simple life. Answer, they do not harm, they simply grow. Question number 6. Think and write in your own words. First, what living things can cause harm to one another? Name any 5. Answer, living things that can harm another. First, human being to human being. Second, human being to animals. Third, animals and birds to the human being. Next, birds to germs and insect. Fifth, human being for birds to germs and insect and file. Question number 2. Why are trees called harmless? Answer, trees are really harmless because they never harm anything anywhere in the world. Whereas they help all the living things on the face of the earth. They maintain the balance of the nature. They keep the environment clean and pure. They are very helpful to the earth and the living being on the earth, so they are really helpful and harmless. Next question. Halloween in the festival celebrated in many Western countries on 31st October. What is the season there? Why do you think is there a need to burn the leaves of Halloween? Answer. The season autumn in Western countries is during October. I think there is a need to burn leaves of Halloween, to make a fire and to the ward off evil spirits from their life. Next question. They are the last to hold the light. When evening changes into night, which part of the day is referred to in the above lines? Which part of the trees hold the last night of the day? Answer. The period between day and night, evening is referred to in the above lines. The birds of the trees hold the last night of the day. Question number 7. Search for a short poem about trees in your mother tongue. Write it in your notebook and translate any two stanzas from the poem into English. Question number 8. Your neighbor is having a huge old banyan tree chopped down to make space for another construction. Write an imaginary conversation between you and your neighbor, trying to stop him from having it cut down. Answer is like that way. Myself, good morning, sir. I am very disturbed and upset to see you having this good old banyan tree chopped down. Neighbor said, no dear, this tree is of no use now. It's too old. Myself said, no sir, being too old, it's more useful. It has been providing us oxygen for years and years. Neighbor said, that's true, but there is no option for me. Myself said, think about birds who build nest in it, children who play under the shade, cattle who rest in its huge shade. Neighbor said, you are right, but myself said, besides it, it has been maintaining balance of nature, controls pollution in our area. Neighbor said, yes dear, you have opened my eyes. People have been worshipping it for years and years. I don't want to hurt anybody's sentiments. Myself said, you can extend your construction at the back and save this precious banyan tree. Neighbor said, sure my dear, now I understood its value. We will protect it. Myself said, oh that's great, thanks sir for being so kind. In this way, this is the total conversation between me and my neighbor. In this way, we have completed the complete workshop of trees and the kindest thing I know, class 8 English. Dear student, if you like my video then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.